Latest visuals coming in from Bangkok's Sejong Na Lat Phra bar show the extent of damage caused by the massive blaze, and these pictures on your screens show the stark contrast when compared to what the bar looked like before the fire. So obviously another visual, a striking visual that has it's on your screen, that you can see how it looked before and after, and it's a tragic incident that has been reported. Initial inquiries have also stated that there were blind spots without a visible fire escape route. That's what the authorities have revealed so far, and they are currently the venue was licensed to operate as a restaurant, but the police are also looking at its inspection record as well. And the authorities have assured the fact that the victims and their families would receive the best possible care. And this is one of the most popular bars and restaurants in Thailand, in which at least 27 people have lost their lives, and several, for now, major safety lapses are under question. How did this bar operate? But for now, initial inquiries have stated that there were blind spots. And on the other hand, when we talk about at least 63 people were injured as per the authorities, and this was stated by the director of the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration's Department of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation. They stated that at least 63 people were injured at that time, and 22 were critical. And so far, authorities have identified the 10 of the victims so far, and nine of them are Thai nationals and the other from Laos. Now, joining me on the telecast is my colleague Hina Sharma. Hina, take us through the details that are coming in regarding this.
Right, Ria. In fact, the latest death toll right now stands at 27 people. Remember, there are dozens of other people who are critically injured, and multiple others who have been hospitalized. Now, remember, several crucial details are coming to the fore in this particular case, where we're getting to know that there was no proper fire exit, emergency exits that were in place in that particular pub facility. Now, the blaze started near the stage of the bar, as we earlier also in the morning told our viewers. And the footages that are coming to the fore and has been posted online also showed how customers are in fact panicking, screaming. They're trying to flee, they're trying to save their lives, but in fact unable to get out of the pub because of the lapses in their security protocols that were put in place in the pub. Now, firefighters were also seen in the footages. As of now, we are showing our viewers the massive damage that was done to the facility. At the right hand side, you can see, and on the left hand side, the facility prior to the fire that broke out near the stage. These footages clearly show that how grave the security situation was, how people were trying to flee but unable to do so, and in fact sustained grievous injuries. Right now they are hospitalized. We are anticipating that more people could get killed because of the severe injuries and burns that were caused because of the fire. Authorities have already promised that they will carry out a thorough probe and investigation into the matter to understand what was the cause of the fire. The firefighters were seen in the footages. This is not the first time, Ria. I would like to tell our viewers that such an incident has taken place in Thailand. Earlier also similar incidents have taken place. So of course a broader probe will be conducted, and will be seen how this particular place, because let's not forget that Thailand is a huge tourist hub for many people across the world. So of course broader safety and security protocols will be looked into, and promises have been made by the authorities to ensure that a proper investigation will be conducted. Prime Minister also, we are getting to know, visited the scene early. We also told our viewers and broke this news. In fact, a sad news coming to the fore is that a singer and musician who was performing there was also killed. There was blast explosion that also took place right after the fire. Back to you.
All right, we have more news coming in regarding this story.